Hello, guys. I'm Pastor Ed Milad. I'm here with David Allen with Patch the Way. We are going to do a really quick training. We're going to take about half an hour of your time. Afterwards, we'll stop the recording and then so we don't have to edit and send it out. And then you guys can ask any questions that you may have, what is according to what is being taught. And what is being taught today and the training that David is going to do is on prospecting, which is our lifeblood. So, David, are you ready?
I am ready.
All right, buddy, take it away.
All right. Well, welcome everybody. Thank you for coming in today for this training. Let me get this set up for you. So what we're going to be talking about is how to effectively prospect for your LifeWave business. Now, prospecting is a lifeline of your business. So what you want to do is you want to start off by making a list of your potential
Recording in
prospects.
progress.
Learn to approach them with ease and build relationships. So you want to define your target audience. So start by creating a persona for your ideal prospect. So what do I mean by that? So there are people that you know that are either very easy to talk to or hard to talk to, or you've got to coach into to be able to talk. So identify their age, their gender, their interest, their occupation, maybe even their location, and their pain point. And use that information to tailor your pitch and marketing strategies to their needs and their preferences. Now, prospecting methods. There's a lot of prospecting methods out there. So what you want to do is you want to start with social media to connect with your potential prospects. And when I say social media, is start putting content on your social media of things that has happened to you to build that relationship with the people that you have on your Facebook, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, and other social platforms. And then introducing, the product without making any medical claims. One of the best ways to do this, and I'm guilty of not doing it as often as I should, um, but three-way calling with your upline is one of the best ways to get your prospect interested in this business. I don't know how many times that we advise new brand partners use us as three-way calling, and they feel like they know everything and they can tell everything. And believe me, people will listen to you that you know, but they may not believe you. But if it's coming from a third party, then it's somebody that they don't know, they believe them. So use the three-way calling with your upline, your downline, use Zoom calls, because it doesn't matter, and I'm going to go back to the three-way calling. It doesn't matter who you're using a three-way calling for. I'm sorry, with. You can use it with people that are in your downline, upline, because again, your prospect doesn't know them. And when you tell them, well, I'm going to call somebody that knows the answer to that, then now they think that they are the authority. Face-to-face meetings are excellent. And Nikki and Pastor Ed and them, they spent a lot of time on developing the new web page. And that's something that you can use on a face-to-face. You also want to attend networking events, trade shows, have a booth at a flea market, hospital events, church events, even school events. Um, we just recently did an event at a gym. We contacted the gym. They were fine with us putting up a little table with some banners and introducing the products to their people coming in to work out. One of the other important things that we fail to do a lot of times is ask for referrals. So ask for referrals from your satisfied customers and business partners. Those are always great. common mistakes to avoid. So we do a lot of things that sometimes we shouldn't do when we're talking about it. Don't spam people with unsolicited messages, blanket emails, group texts. Oh, I'm going to send everybody in my phone uh, a text. They may not want it. Avoid making false claims about your products and opportunities. So, don't tell them that it regrows a finger if you've got a finger missing, you know. And believe me, there's some people that might say that out there. Don't come across too pushy or desperate. People can see desperation. It's always like, oh, well, if you get in, I'll get rich. So you need to get in. Come on. It's I've got 100 people coming in, and I need for you to get in now. No, people realize what's going on in that situation there. So the fortune is in sale. The fortune in sales is the follow-up. Prospecting always involves building relationships and offering solutions. You always want to follow up regularly, track your progress, and stay positive to succeed. The statistics show that 20% of the sales occur in the first through the fourth contact. 2% of sales are made on the first contact. All right, let that sink in. 2% of sales are made on the first contact. 3% of sales are made on the second contact. 5% of all sales are made on the third contact. 10% of the sales are made on the fourth contact. Now, the surprising one for those that are not in sales, 80% of the sales are made on the fifth through the 12th contact. So what this is saying is continue to drip on the people. If they don't want to get in on the first go round, that's fine. Continue to drip on them. Let them know that you still have something available to them. Send them another testimonial. Send them just a little text. Hey, how you doing? Just continue the relationship. Are you ready now? If they did show interest, well, you want to make sure that you just continue to drip. And you can see that it's from the fifth to the 12th contact. And I can tell you that one of our brand partners, it took me a year and almost over a year for them to come in the business. And then after they came in, well, why didn't you let me know sooner? I said I kept dripping on you, but it wasn't time for you. It's all about timing. But the thing is to follow up constantly. Don't focus on making a sale. Now, when I say making a sale, I'm talking about either providing the patches or introducing them to the business. Focus on whether there's a sale to be made. And we do this a lot. The key to avoiding rejection is never talk about your business in detail until you learn that the person you're talking to has a need or an interest in the business, the products, or the service. How many times have we run into somebody and we just, boom, take off with, it's a great business. This is a great product. You need to try this. Here, turn around. Let me put this patch on you. And they're not even interested in it. But we get so excited because we have such a great product that we just, in the term, we throw up on people. So closing more sales is less about selling and more about listening and solving problems. If your prospect doesn't have a problem and doesn't feel like they need your product or service, it's a waste of time and effort to try to talk to them about it. So catch that last line. If your prospect doesn't have a problem or doesn't feel like they need your product or service, it's a waste of time and effort to try and talk to them. That's why you want to build a relationship. Ensure that you're talking to the right people. Not everyone on social media or person to person will be interested in what you do, what you sell, or will want to join in your business. You want to talk to people that are looking for an opportunity, people that want to change their health or the health of others. Look at the daily activity and content of their post. So if you're using Facebook and you're prospecting someone, look what they're posting, see what they're talking about. Look at TikTok, um, um, all the social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, all of those, and see what they are talking about if they're on those. So you can get an idea of what you want to talk to them about. Get on groups that are looking for, get on the groups that you're looking for on Facebook, like massage therapists, teacher groups, healthcare professionals, professionals that are traditionally interested in your services or your product. Develop relationships. Again, there it is. Develop relationships. Networking and connecting with people is not about selling, but rather about developing relationships where you can learn if there's an opportunity to connect. Listen more than you talk. Most successful people in business are good listeners. You're in the asking question and listening business, not a talking business. You're in a sorting business, not a convincing business. Most people do not listen with the intent to understand. They listen with the intent to reply. So, what does that mean? Most people, when you talk to them, they're only hearing part of what you're saying because they want to answer your whatever you have to that you're questioning them about or you're talking about. They want to be quick to talk also. So remember that most people don't listen with the intent to understand, they listen with the intent to reply. And the reason that most people fail to close the sale is fail to build their network marketing business and waste a lot of time is they're trying to sell their product or opportunity to the wrong people. Now, some of you will remember you can't fit a square peg into a round hole. Success is closer than you think. Every situation properly perceived becomes an opportunity, but you have to act on them as if you were going to be successful. Success is all around you. It's not in your environment. It's not luck or chance or in the help of others. Success is in yourself alone. So, what I want to do is I want to thank you for considering these prospecting tips. Best of luck in building your successful LifeWave business. And just to let you know that you're not alone in building your business. This is some of the people that were at this last Dallas convention wearing their pink shirts like I am. But we have a face group, we have Telegram, we have Instagram, we have a great website called patchtheway.com, the YouTube, WhatsApp, and Zoom. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to open it up for any questions.
Great job, David.
Thank you.
Great job, Dave.
Appreciate it, Doc.
Great job.
Thank you again.
Silent clapping. No, I learned so much on this, David. Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome. I love it.
All right, do we have any questions, guys?
I have a
I
question, but
really-
sorry, you're relating some the packages. But anyway, maybe I will ask later on.
Let me end the call, David.
Yeah,
Go
go
ahead
ahead.
and close this, David, and then we'll answer questions.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, Ed.
So you can go ahead and close us, and then we can
Oh,
we can stop the video.
all right. Well, I just want to thank everyone for attending today. I know that you have other things that possibly you could be doing, but this is actually something that we all need even myself, and because I fall into some of those situations too. So even the best of us, and been doing this for almost over 40 years, even though I'm only 25. So, but go ahead, Ed, take over.
All right, thank you guys. We appreciate you being on the call. We'll stay on the call as long as you want to, but we just want to plug in Nikki's meeting tonight on X39. If you have anybody that's interested in the product alone, she goes through about a half an hour of teaching and training on just that product alone. So plug into that. And I believe there's a women's meeting tonight also at 8
Yep, the
o'clock.
wave is
So
at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. So get on that call too for you ladies. That's at 8 o'clock. So
Right,
God bless
and
you
it's
all. Take
Nikki.
care. Excuse me?
It's Nikki McCutcheon
It's
is our
Nikki.
guest speaker.
Okay, great. So she's back to back, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Awesome. All right, guys. God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye.